We tried Espresso Works Yellow Shibuya that serves specialty Instagrammable Omurice that attracts long lines of customers every day. The restaurant is located in the basement level of a building just steps outside from Shibuya's iconic Scramble crossing. The restaurant has a cozy interior with warm wooden details. So the dish arrives with chicken rice flavored with ketchup and topped with a perfectly shaped rugby ball-like omelette. Right before your eyes, a staff member slices it into the omelette. As the omelette opens up, an incredibly steamy, silky soft egg spills out. Make sure you ready your camera as you only get one shot. Then a thick, juicy hamburger steak is placed on top and covered with a rich demi-glaze sauce, followed by a generous pour of melted cheese sauce to finish. And we are ready to eat! And now for our dessert, another social media worthy. The chocolate milk float that has a scoop of chocolate ice cream decorated with a bear face. Yummy! The Omurice at Espresso Works Yellow Shibuya is so delicious. We'll definitely come back and we'll try the other food that they serve.